Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to create a silhouette effect using CapCut. It's super easy and looks really cool in your videos. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your CapCut and then just create new projects and then import your main video. You can use any clips that you like, but it's best to choose one that already has some silhouette styling lighting like this, like a sunset video like this. It has a silhouette effect, and then next just import the video that you want to turn into a silhouette like this, and then make it as an overlay over the main video like this, and then just tap on it and then go to remove background, this one, and then choose custom removal, and then use the brush. You use brush tool to carefully keep only the subject or object that you want to in silhouette, just like this. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try to make sure the edges are clean enough to look natural later. Like this. And then after that, just go to adjust. This one, just tap on it. And then just set the saturations to 0. It's this way to remove all the colors. And then open graph, this one. And then just setting and tweak them until your objects become fully black. That's the silhouette look we are going for. In this tutorial, I will just tweak it like this. Like this, and then to make it look smoother, just go to Effect, this one, and then go to Video Effect, and then just choose Blur. Adjust the intensity. Maybe like this. Just apply a soft blur, not too much, just enough to blend it nicely with the background. And after that, just adjust the positions and size of your silhouette to make it look more realistic or dramatic depending on your main video. Okay, like this, and okay, there you go. You have just made a clean silhouette effect in CapCut with just a few simple steps. Okay, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.